All right, gentlemen, let's talk about something essential, skincare. Yes, you heard that right. Skincare isn't just a trend or a passing phase. It's a crucial part of maintaining your overall health and well-being. Gone are the days when skincare was seen as a feminine indulgence. Today, it's a universal necessity, and men everywhere are starting to embrace it. It's 2024, and taking care of your skin is as important for men as it is for women. In fact, more men are now realizing the benefits of a good skincare routine. Why the sudden shift? Well, for starters, men are realizing that good skin isn't just about looks, it's about health and confidence. Healthy skin can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more comfortable in your own skin. Think of your skin as your body's own personal bodyguard, protecting you from the elements. It shields you from harmful UV rays, pollution, and other environmental factors. But let's be real, navigating the world of serums and moisturizers can feel like trying to understand the latest TikTok trend, confusing and slightly terrifying. With so many products out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But trust me, it's not as complicated as you might think. With a few simple steps, you can create a routine that works for you. This isn't about becoming a beauty guru overnight. It's about taking small, manageable steps to improve your skin's health. It's about simple steps to keep your skin healthy, strong, and looking its best. A basic routine can make a world of difference. So buckle up, bros, and get ready to unlock the secrets of a solid skincare routine. It's time to take charge of your skin and show the world that skincare is for everyone. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of skincare, let's talk about why men's skin needs its own game plan. It's not just about looking good, it's about understanding the unique challenges our skin faces daily. You see, guys, we're not built the same way as our female counterparts. Our skin has its own set of rules and requirements. Our skin is naturally thicker, oilier, and has larger pores. Thanks testosterone. This hormonal difference means our skin behaves differently and needs different care. This means we're more prone to issues like acne, razor burn, and ingrown hairs. These problems can be frustrating, but they are manageable with the right approach. But don't worry, understanding these differences is the first step to tackling them head-on. Knowledge is power, and knowing your skin type is crucial. Think of it like this. If you were building a house, you wouldn't use the same blueprint for a cozy cottage and a sprawling mansion. Each requires a unique plan and materials. The same principle applies to skincare. What works for her might not work for you. Men's skin needs products that address its specific issues, so ditch the generic products and embrace a routine that caters to your specific needs. Customizing your skincare routine can make a world of difference. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. A tailored skincare routine not only improves your skin's health, but also boosts your confidence. So start today and see the transformation. Okay, so we've established that men's skin is different, but what's in it for you? Well, besides looking fresh-faced and ready to conquer the world, a proper skincare routine offers a plethora of benefits. For starters, healthy skin equates to a strong skin barrier. This barrier acts like a shield, protecting you from harmful pollutants, bacteria, and those dreaded UV rays that age you faster than a banana in a time machine. Then there's the confidence boost. When your skin looks good, you feel good. It's that simple. No more hiding behind that 5 o'clock shadow or feeling self-conscious about breakouts. And let's not forget about the ladies. While we don't condone changing yourself for anyone else, taking care of your appearance shows that you care about yourself, and that's always attractive. Now, before we move on to the actual skincare routine, let's clear the air about some common myths that have been circulating in the mansphere for far too long. Myth number 1, soap and water are all I need. While a good scrub might seem like enough, it can actually strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Myth number 2, moisturizer is for women. Wrong. Remember how we talked about men's skin being oilier? Well, that doesn't mean it can't get dehydrated. Myth number 3, sunscreen is only for the beach. Nope. UV rays are sneaky little devils that can penetrate clouds and windows, damaging your skin year-round. And lastly, myth number 4, skincare is too complicated. False. A basic routine can be as simple as cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Ready to build your skincare arsenal? Don't worry, we're not talking about a 12-step routine that requires a spreadsheet to keep track of. We're keeping it simple and effective. First up, a gentle cleanser. Ditch the harsh soaps and opt for a cleanser specifically formulated for your skin type. Whether your skin leans towards the oily, dry, or sensitive side, there's a cleanser out there for you. Next, a moisturizer. This is your skin's best friend, especially after cleansing. It helps to lock in hydration and keep your skin feeling supple and smooth. And last but definitely not least, sunscreen. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and make it a habit to apply it every single day, rain or shine. Let's talk more about sunscreen, shall we? We know, it can feel like an extra step, but trust us, this is one step you don't want to skip. Think of sunscreen as your invisible shield against premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. And don't think you're off the hook on cloudy days. Those harmful UV rays are sneaky and can penetrate clouds, so make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen, which means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. An SPF of 30 or higher is ideal for daily use. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Here's a secret weapon in the fight for great skin. What you put into your body is just as important as what you put on it. That's right, fellas. Your diet and hydration levels play a crucial role in your skin's health. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs a balanced diet packed with fruits, vegetables, and lean protein to nourish your skin from within. And don't underestimate the power of H2O. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins, keeps your skin hydrated and plump, and promotes cell regeneration. So ditch the sugary drinks and opt for water, green smoothies, and antioxidant-rich foods. Your skin will thank you for it. Once you've mastered the basics, you can take your skincare game to the next level with a few additional steps. These steps are designed to enhance the foundation you've already built. Think of these as the bonus levels that unlock even more radiant and youthful-looking skin. It's like giving your skin a VIP treatment. Exfoliating once or twice a week can help to slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. This step is crucial for maintaining a fresh and vibrant complexion. Just be sure to choose a gentle exfoliator and avoid over-exfoliating, which can irritate your skin. Over-exfoliation can lead to redness and sensitivity, so moderation is key. Serums are another great addition to your routine. They are packed with powerful ingredients. These concentrated doses of active ingredients can target specific skin concerns, like fine lines, wrinkles, or hyperpigmentation. Incorporating a serum can make a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. And if you're dealing with dark circles or puffiness under your eyes, consider adding an eye cream to your arsenal. Eye creams are specifically formulated to address these delicate areas. The delicate skin around your eyes is thinner and more prone to wrinkles, so it needs a little extra TLC. Taking care of this area can help you look more awake and refreshed. We've talked about the physical benefits of skincare, but let's not forget about the mental and emotional perks as well. Taking care of your skin is a form of self-care, and self-care is essential for a healthy mind and body. When you prioritize your skincare routine, you're sending a powerful message to yourself that you're worthy of care and attention. This simple act can boost your self-esteem, improve your mood, and reduce stress levels. Imagine this. You wake up, look in the mirror, and love the reflection staring back at you. Your skin is clear, bright, and healthy. That feeling of confidence can radiate outwards, impacting your relationships, your work, and your overall outlook on life. So there you have it, guys, the lowdown on men's skincare. It's not rocket science, it's about taking care of yourself and putting your best face forward. Remember, a solid skincare routine doesn't require a PhD in dermatology. Start with the basics: cleanse, moisturize, and protect, and build from there. Listen to your skin, experiment with different products, and find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun with it. Embrace the glow up, gentlemen, and get ready to face the world with confidence. To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.